Hey guys, it's me. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you 20 passive income ideas to make money online in 2025. The first one is starting a YouTube channel like this one. All you need to do is find a good niche to start with. You don't necessarily have to talk about your face or even show your face. There are plenty of channels out there that just use stock footage, and they earn thousands of dollars per month. It doesn't happen overnight. But if you can consistently upload videos, you can eventually build an audience and monetize your channel. Check out this channel called Lofi Girl. They literally just have someone sitting there listening to music, and they get millions of views every single day. This channel was started back in 2017, and as of recording, they have over 1.3 million subscribers. And most importantly, they are making a lot of money from their YouTube channel. YouTube pays based on how many views you get. And the more views you get, the more money you make. The next way to make passive income is by creating an ebook and selling it on Amazon KDP. If you're a writer, this is a great way to earn passive income because once you write the ebook, you can sell it on Amazon for years without having to do any work. Now, if you're not a writer, you can hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to help you. All you need to do is come up with a good idea for an ebook, do some research to see if there's a demand for it, and then write it. There are so many different niches that you could choose from. So take your time and pick one that you're passionate about. Once you've written your ebook, you can publish it on Amazon KDP and set your price. You can also choose to offer it for free to get more reviews. Reviews are important because they help to increase sales. Once you start getting some positive reviews, people will be more likely to buy your book. The best part about selling ebooks is that you don't need to worry about shipping or handling costs. That's all taken care of by Amazon. You will need to pay a small fee when you first publish your book, but it's definitely worth it if you're serious about making passive income. So if you love writing or have a skill that you can teach, consider creating an ebook and selling it on Amazon KDP. Next is to sell stock photos and videos online. If you have a camera, you can do this. A lot of websites out there allow you to upload your photos and videos, and you'll get paid every time someone downloads them. You might be wondering, how much money can I make selling stock photos and videos? Well, that really depends on a number of factors, including the quality of your work and how many photos and videos you upload. But in general, you can expect to make a few $100s per month if you're consistent. Here's a website that allows you to sell your stock photos and videos, and they pay really well. Next is affiliate marketing. This is another great way to make passive income. All you need to do is promote other people's products and services, and you'll get a commission on anything you sell. For example, if I wanted to promote ClickBank, I would simply sign up to be an affiliate, and then paste my affiliate link onto a website or social media bio. Then whenever someone clicks on my link and makes a purchase, I'll get a commission. You can do this with almost any product or service out there. So it's important to choose something that you're interested in and that you think your audience would be interested in too. Some of the best affiliate programs out there include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share Sales, and CJ Affiliates. Another way to make passive income is by creating and selling online courses. If you have a skill or knowledge that you can teach, this is a great way to earn passive income. Think about what skills or knowledge you have that others would be willing to pay for. Once you've decided on a topic for your course, you'll need to create the actual course content. This could include video tutorials, PowerPoint presentations, or PDF guides. It really depends on what you're teaching. Once you've created your course content, you'll need to package it all together in a way that's easy for your students to consume. This could mean creating a website or using a learning management system like Teachable or Thinkific. Finally, you'll need to market your course to reach your target audience. This could involve running ads on social media or search engines, as well as reaching out to relevant influencers in your industry. When it comes to pricing your course, you'll need to take into account the value of what you're providing, as well as the competition. Consider offering a free or discounted preview of your course to generate interest and build anticipation before the official launch. By following these steps, you can create an online course that helps you earn passive income and share your expertise with the world. Another way to make passive income is by renting out your unused space. Do you have a spare bedroom or a backyard that isn't being used? List it on Airbnb or a similar website. People are always looking for unique places to stay, and you could make some extra money by providing it. Just make sure you're comfortable with having strangers in your home and that you set clear boundaries and expectations. Next is blogging. One of the best things about blogging is that it's relatively easy to start. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can also start a blog for free using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Once you've created your blog, you'll need to start writing content that people are interested in reading. This could be anything from how-to guides to listicles to personal stories. The key is to write engaging and high-quality content that will keep people coming back for more. As your blog grows, you can start monetizing it through various means such as Google AdSense or sponsored posts. With dedication and hard work, blogging can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Another way to make passive income is by creating and selling digital products. Digital products are items that can be downloaded or accessed online, such as eBooks, courses, or templates. They're a great option for passive income because once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without having to create a physical product that you need to ship. To get started, identify a need in the market that you can fill with a digital product. Consider the skills and resources you have available to you and choose a product that you can easily create. You can use platforms like Etsy or your own website to sell your digital products. Set competitive prices and promote your products through social media and other channels to drive traffic to your sales page. Another way to make passive income is by creating a membership website. Membership websites are a great way to provide exclusive content or resources to a paying audience. To create a membership website, choose a platform like WordPress or Squarespace. Create valuable content that will appeal to your target audience and set up a membership area where members can access exclusive content. Promote your membership website through various channels and offer different membership tiers with varying levels of access and benefits. By providing value to your members and continuously improving your website, you can build a sustainable source of passive income. Another way to make passive income is by dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't need to keep any inventory on hand. Instead, when you make a sale, you purchase the item from a third party and ship it directly to your customer. To start dropshipping, find a product to sell, identify a reliable supplier, create a website, and list the product for sale. Market your product to potential customers and process orders through your website. With the right product and a well-executed strategy, dropshipping can be a profitable way to make passive income. Another way to make passive income is by selling on Amazon. Selling on Amazon is a great way to reach a large audience of potential customers. You can sell both physical and digital products on Amazon and set your own prices. To get started, create an Amazon Seller Central account, list your product for sale, and fulfill orders through Amazon's logistics network. With millions of active buyers on Amazon, selling on the platform can be a lucrative way to make passive income. Another way to make passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of publicly traded companies that pay a dividend to shareholders. To invest in dividend stocks, open a brokerage account, research and select companies with a history of paying dividends, purchase shares of dividend-paying stocks, and reinvest dividends to buy more shares and increase your income. Another way to make passive income is by peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a way to invest in individual borrowers and earn interest on your investment. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to browse loan requests from individuals seeking funding, and you can choose to fund a portion of that loan in exchange for interest payments. While there is some risk involved, peer-to-peer lending can be a way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Now I want you to smash that like button. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section which of these ideas you plan to try. I read all the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.